Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin in edit mode, so press Tab and choose Edge Select. This lets you focus on the geometry. First, identify the extra edges, Alt-click an edge loop to select it, and Shift+Alt to add adjacent loops. Once selected, confirm topology by toggling X-ray or enabling backface culling so you see edges behind faces. This step prevents accidental deletions of structural geometry. Make sure to inspect vertex counts. You want clean loops, not stray vertices that will cause shading issues later. Now remove the unwanted edges using targeted tools. Press X and choose Dissolve Edges when you want to remove an edge without breaking faces, because this maintains face flow. If the edge creates a hole or awkward face, use X right arrow delete edges or faces, then rebuild with the knife tool, K, to draw cleaner loops. When vertices crowd, use Merge M at center or at last to collapse extras and preserve quads. These choices control how the mesh subdivides and affects smoothing later. Finish by cleaning and verifying the mesh. First, remove duplicate vertices with Merge by distance to prevent unseen edges from reappearing. Once done, recalculate normals with Shift+N so faces shade consistently, and add a subdivision surface modifier to preview edge flow. If you see pinching, go back and add supporting loops or use crease values. This balances smoothness versus sharpness. Troubleshooting tip: if geometry still looks wrong, inspect non-manifold elements and use Mesh right arrow cleanup right arrow, make normals consistent to resolve hidden topology errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.